Hey guys, running Kimono here. So today's video we are going to be discussing 50% off clearance event with some new digital coupons along with some freebies, cheapies, and money makers, and then just a last minute sweep if you want to go to your store and try and find some of these deals. I know a lot of you here are Walgreens shoppers, but if you wanted to head over to the Dollar General to try out one of these deals, they are just amazing. So the first one that we're going to talk about is with the L'Oreal ELVIVE, this specific one. Shout out to Dollar General Saves with Saunders. She posted this on her Instagram and it is totally spot on. So this particular bottle of this L'Oreal Professional Shampoo is also part of the clearance event, and it's ringing up for $1.80. So this morning, a $2 digital appeared in your Dollar General coupons folder. So just to show you, this is what it looks like. Boom, here it is. And it's attaching to this product. So the product's $1.80, the coupon's $2. It's a freebie plus a 20-cent of overage situation. So I scanned one at my house and I was like, oh my gosh. So definitely this is one to toss on the list. So going through this math one more time, grab only one of these L'Oreal ELVIVEs and make sure you're grabbing the right one. So definitely use the Dollar General app when you're in the store to scan. Ringing up for $1.80. We have a $2 digital manufacturer making it free plus 20 cents of overage. You need something in your basket to grab that 20 cents of overage. So make sure that you have something. And this is one bottle of free shampoo. So how fantastic is that? It doesn't get any better than this. The second freebie is with the Colgate Charcoal Toothpaste. This is also part of clearance. So this guy is ringing up for 50% off. So that would be $2.25. So specifically, guys, you're looking to grab two of these, and it has to be this specific one. So as you can see, $2.25, so that's what it's ringing up for, and that's the price that you're looking for. And this wonderful coupon showed up this morning, so load it, and it's a 3 off a 2. And it's in fact attaching to this product. But hold on to your hat, it gets better. There's a $1 rebate for each of them on IBOTTA. So you're going to get an extra $2 back with IBOTTA. And it has to be this specific charcoal one. Cannot stress it enough. So jogging through the math, just to show you guys, again, Sunday only. Grab two of these Colgate's charcoals for $4.50. Subtracting that 3 off a 2. You're going to pay $1.50 out of pocket, and you have to have a balance with IBOTTA because if your receipt is at a 0, they'll probably reject it. They'll say you didn't buy anything. And then anyhow, you're going to make a submission to IBOTTA for $1 back, and you're going to get $2 back as you bought two of them, making it free plus a 50-cent money maker. So this is really good if you want some free toothpaste and some free L'Oreal ELVIVE shampoo also. Another deal with IBOTTA is the N-Dust. You might find this in the regular section or in a clearance section, depending how your store is set up. This guy is $1.57. Now, I have found 55-cent peelies both at Dollar General and other stores, so utilizing one of them, you're going to pay $1.02. There's a 75-cent rebate on IBOTTA right now for a can of this N-Dust, and this one does in fact is included. So it basically makes this dust cleaner 27 cents. And let's remember, all these deals are for Sunday only. Okay, it might be a tall order to find this guy, but if you can find one of these Nivea Soft, this little 2.6 ounces, it's ringing up for $1.24. And we have a very generous $2 coupon. Shout out to the freebie guy. He was mentioning this last week, and it's a spot on deal. Really nice deal. So grabbing one of those, again, Sunday only, it's $1.24. Subtracting that $2 digital, guys, it's free plus 76 cents of overage. Remember, you need something to grab that 76 cents of overage because they don't pay out cash over at the Dollar General. So please make sure you have something to grab that overage. Now, file this under really bizarre. The 60 count of the Flintstone vitamins is part of clearance. And in the regular section, I found probably like 6 of them at one store. And I was like, what? Like, why isn't this with the clearance stuff? It wasn't pulled. So I found it like in plain sight. And I was able to get a couple. But yeah, you might want to look through the regular section, guys, because that's where I found them yesterday. Because I was looking for some of these for my nieces. And I was like, holy smokes, like there's a lot at this one store. So jogging you through the math again, this guy is on clearance for $3.15. We have a $3 digital, making it 15 cents. Wow. There's a $3 and a $1. Please make sure that you only load the $3 because typically at Dollar General, the smallest coupon will come off first and you want the biggest savings. So only load that $3 one. And then also, if you might be so lucky to find one of these guys, the men's one a day, this guy is ringing up for $3.60. I did find one, and we have a $3 digital. So it drops it down to 60 cents. That would be, that could grab some of your overage if you need some of these men's vitamins, and what a great little dealio. And a couple stores that I visited too, I'm still finding a ton of soup. Like, I don't think people are going after this soup deal, but grabbing 2 of these on clearance for $1.75. We have that very generous $1 off 2 manufacturer digital. So it drops it down to 75 cents for 2. And this is like, a really quick meal. And if you want these microwavable ones, tons of stores also had these ones. So it shakes out to the same numbers. They're on clearance for $1.75. So you could use some of your overage to pay for this. I mean, alternatively, that's a really smart idea. And then if you might be so lucky, these Roto Jolt eye drops, find them in clearance, or you could find them possibly at the front of the store where the single serve candy, gum, that sort of stuff. That's where I found this at one store. These guys are $1.50, $3 digital, making it free plus $1.50 of overage. Alternatively, if you could find 2 of them, we also have a 7 off of 2 digital manufacturer. These Roto coupons, you needed to load them about 2 weeks ago. So if you didn't load them, you can't load them anymore. You always have to load these coupons on Sunday morning to get, early bird catches the worm, the old saying. But these 2 are no longer available, just to note that. Okay, so the new Sunday price for these pencils, they are $1.25. They were $1 yesterday, but today they're a little bit more. New ad cycle, you know how that works. We have a wonderful new $1 digital coupon that showed up, so it makes it a quarter. So if you want some pencils, there you have it. Let's also not forget to take a walk through either the regular food section, or if this might be in the clearance section. The top ramen, a 12-pack for $1, either the beef or the chicken flavor. I know a lot of you were scoring it because I was getting so many photos yesterday on Instagram. A lot of people were really excited, and I mean, it's just such a super deal to get 12 things for like $1. We never see those cheapy sort of prices. And guys, at the very end of the video, I'm going to link 2 videos. This one, which is like the mechanics of the sale, how it works. Because if you're watching this and you're like, I'm not even sure, go to the App Store, download the Dollar General app, and start loading some of these digital coupons and make it happen and be on the hunt today. Perhaps this could be a Sunday afternoon fun thing to do. But I really get into the basics and the mechanics of this in this video. And then if you're more of an advanced Dollar General shopper, I also have a haul that I did on Friday where I showed you everything that I bought and showed you also the coupons and how it worked, etc. So if you would like to check out this video, it'll also be linked at the end. Good luck. Can't stress it for the millionth time. Sunday only, because the sale ends tonight and then all the prices go back to, they're not going to be these clearance prices starting on Monday morning. Good luck, guys.